Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex setups for today. So we do have CPI data coming out, so Euro USD is going to be influenced by that. So I don't suspect any real movements until that data is out this afternoon. One thing is very clear on the 8 hour is we are back into this zone and we are trying to test it. Look at the oscillators, they've separated. This is all lining up for dollar strength and for this trend to continue. So I'd be a little bit cautious though, because CPI tends to, especially since that's the focus around the globe at the moment, it does tend to drive the market quite hard when the data comes out. There's so many algorithms and so many people trying to trade it that it just creates immense amounts of volumes, which also can create a lot of confusion because it just depends how people are trading it. Anyway, if you just drop down to the hour, you can see yesterday was a big down, big up day, which if you look at it daily, can give you a hangman. So mixed feelings, I think, is what chart is telling you. Some say it's going down, some say it's coming up. We've got a crossover here. We're above the 150 EMA. I think my advice is to stay well away from this until the data come out, and then we can see what is going to transpire. You also have to downside there. You have two gaps. Sorry, you've got three gaps. Okay, there's another one there. So you see a very slight gap there. So strong area of strong magnets, we say, down here, and it ranges between 106914 and 107. So that's kind of a strong magnet. We are above the moving averages at the moment, but the oscillators have gripped the upside. I'm kind of in two minds here of which way this is going to go. So we'll wait for the data and take our lead from the data. At the moment, these are the two areas that look short on the 8th hour. That's 107.817 and then 107.662. So, but yeah, we need to wait for CPI before even thinking about that. And ultimately, for longs, I'd want us to be above that zone, find support, and for shorts, I'd want us to be below this level. So keep the range until those levels give way. Moving on to USD Japanese yen. Obviously, we had big down, and now we're coming back up to close this gap. We do have a bit of structure that we're at right now, and I'll give that to you on the hour. And you can see right there at 147.388. So the problem with this market is that we have this massive weekly gap to the upside. Then we have a daily gap for today. We have Tuesday's gap here. So we've got Monday's gap, we've got Tuesday's gap, and we've got a gap today. So this is not something that is looking very positive or negative, to be honest. So I'm I don't want to get trapped in this. We're actually to get through these higher areas here at 147.88. So could be back in the range and we carry on, or this could be a rejection here and we have a big move to the downside, and this is a back gap. I'm not convinced either way, so I think data is going to drive this moment. And I think if the CPI comes out positive, most of the market is not going to believe it, and we're going to stay confused. If it comes out negative, I think there'll be more people believing it, and then we get a pretty big drop. Also, we should see the currency rally, we should see the indexes drop. But anyway, that could also be thrown out depending on which way the wind. So I'm on the side of the dollar, so we'll have to quietly wait for better days. Moving on to pound, pretty pound Japanese yen. Does look like this is an area of rejection. We've got a clear crossover over the moving averages. Oscillators don't really support that feeling at the moment. Then when we look at it on the hour, we've got a crossover in the opposite direction with the oscillators also not agreeing there. So take a pick. I'm not convinced either way. We're going to close this weekly gap. I'm not convinced that we have anything. We don't need to get above pretty much weekly gap, I would say. So you get above 184.251 before you start looking for long. I'm not looking for short moment. There's no structure for shorts right now. So here's another thing. Moving on to Euro pound. This week has been one that has been sort of big up, down, big up. So in other words, first move, back, second move. You're going to see that a lot clearer here on the. Sorry, I have the wrong template open here. So playing around with something. If you look at that, you can see our crossover the 150 EMA. Oscillators are not agreeing with that. When you come down to this side, you can see the trend is continuing to the outside. So we should be looking for an opportunity to buy. So there's the first level at 0.8595 for price to come back, and then we're looking for an opportunity to buy into this. That's kind of the view that we've got at the moment. Anyway, that's the only one that actually looked quite interesting. I don't see anything else that would indicate potential move to the upside. So that's how I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers.